Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Nimble CRM contact import from CSV easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Nimble CRM account. Navigate to the contacts section found in the main menu. Locate the import button, typically located on the right side of the screen. Click on the import button to start the process. Select the import from CSV option from the drop-down menu. Now, find and select the CSV file you wish to import. Make sure the CSV file is properly formatted with the necessary columns. Once you've selected your CSV file, click on Next to proceed. Nimble will display a preview of your data. Review the data carefully to ensure everything looks correct. If any fields do not match, map them according to Nimble's requirements. Confirm the mapping by clicking on the appropriate fields. Once all fields are correctly mapped, click on the Import button. Wait for the import process to complete. After the import is finished, you will see a summary of the newly added contacts. Check your contact list to ensure the new entries appear correctly. If any issues arise, refer to Nimble's help section for troubleshooting steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.